First, remove the decorative frame of the main unit panel with the pry bar. Then remove the air conditioner control panel. Remove the fixing screws of the original main unit and take out the main unit. Remove the stock display panel and remove the two retaining screws for the stock display. Returning to the main unit, hold the ESO plug clasp of the main unit and pull back and remove the ESO plug of the main unit. Connect the ESO plug from the original host to the male end of the Linux LSO harness. Connect the female end of the Linux LSO cable to the back of the original host. Insert the plug and press the fasteners for a secure installation. Connect the original display LVDS cable to the Linux LVDS cable on your CA harness. Connect mic out and mic in. Connect the original display LVDS cable to the Linux LVDS cable on your CA harness. Route the two USB outlets through the passenger's glove box and place them in or under the glove box. Install the metal bracket to the OEM display location. Installation of our air conditioning panels. Remove the back of the dial and install the battery into the dial as per the video. Put the dial backward back in place. Pull out the gear on top of the mechanical watch to adjust the time. Set the time and press the gear down. The mechanical watch starts to work normally. Peel off the 3M adhesive on the back and stick it on the air conditioner panel in the right place. Put the screws in to secure our air conditioning panel. Restore the main unit and the trim panel. Connect the ESO and the CA cables to the unit and mount the unit to the base. Power on the unit to check for proper function.